Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete messages on Instagram in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's go. For this, you have to go to your Instagram. After opening your Instagram, you can see here the message option. You have to press on this. Now select this message which you want to delete. After selecting your message, you'll find here 3 dots. You have to press on this. Now you can see here unsend option. Click on it. Now click on unsend. So this is how you can delete messages on Instagram in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.